Are you struggling to decide? Feeling lost and overwhelmed by choices? One day, you favor option A, then the next day, you hop back to option B. Wouldn't it be great if making tough decisions were as easy as picking the highest number? Sounds too good to be true, right? It's actually possible. And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you. This isn't just some self-improvement gimmick. This will make your choices 100 times easier. So recently, I was also overwhelmed by choices. I was struggling to decide if I'm going to continue civil engineering, or if I will drop out, or if I will shift to psychology. So by coincidence, I was reading the book, The Millionaire Fastlane. I came across a system that helped me make up my mind to pursue psychology. So here's what I did. So the first step is find a piece of paper you can write on. You can use a pencil or a pen or a crayon or whatever you want. Then write columns for your choices. So my choices was if I'm going to continue civil engineering, or if I'm going to drop out, or if I'm going to shift to psychology. After writing the choices, you will name one column factors. Now, in this column, we will write factors that are important to us and relevant to our choices. We will use them as criteria to make our decision. So in my situation, the factors that are important to me are if it will make me money, how much time I will spend pursuing that decision, if I am passionate for the decision, and what will other people think. Now, if you're having a hard time thinking of factors that are relevant to your decision, you can just use ChatGPT and make ChatGPT think of the factors for you. And that's exactly what I did. And it gave me long-term reward and flexibility of the decision. After writing all the factors that are important to you, you will now weight the importance of the factors and rate it 1 to 10. Now, rate the choices 1 to 10 based on the factors. Now, for engineering, I rated it 5 because I know it will make me decent money, but I can still make more money even if I drop out or pursue psychology. For dropping out, I know that I will make a ton of money after just 2 to 3 years because I'll just have no choice, and that's what I'm capable of. Now, for psychology, I rated it 10 because I know I can also make a ton of money with it. But I have to spend more time because I have to finish the course to get the full benefit. Now, just repeat rating your choices. After you finish rating all the choices based on the factors, you will now multiply the choices ratings with each factor's importance. Just like this. 5, multiply it to 9, which is 45. 10, multiply it to 9, which is 90. Then 10, multiply it to 9, which is 90. Now, for the time, it's 5 and its factor is time, which is 9 as weight, then multiply it. Then it will go 45. Now, repeat. Now, after finishing, you will now add up all the results. And the one with the biggest score will be the one you will stick with. Mine psychology. Write yours in the comment section. That is what you call weighted average decision matrix, or what I call WAD-M. I hope this helps you a lot. There are a lot of decisions that make us feel lost or feel stuck in life, and WAD-M helped me with it. That is why I'm sharing this to you. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Aki, and I encourage you to follow your own script.